Alright, today we're going to try to pop out this dent here, and I'm going to do that by applying a little bit of air pressure. There's my line running into the tank. This tank is all capped off. It's capped off on the other side where the fuel lines come out, and then this little thing here is just a 1/2 inch elbow where the vent tube comes out, 1/2 inch reduced to a 1/4 inch. And there's the inlet right there. I use 3/8 fittings on most of my things. This cap has a small bag up underneath it to help seal it, and there is water filled up almost to capacity. This is a 120-gallon tank, and there's water just right basically to the bottom of the filler neck inside here. The way this works is I've got this hose running over here to my air compressor. Here's my compressor. I've got it shut off, but it's full. This is just a digital, air inflator, and I put a 1/4 inch fitting on the end of this to plug into this blue hose here, which is going to the tank. And all I'm going to do is put in enough air to get it to pop out. But what I'm going to do first is preheat this with my torches there, and then I'll start putting my air in, and that should get it to pop. This JB Weld held up pretty good. It's not leaking a drop at all, so they held up pretty good. Bag that I had on there wasn't sealing the cap, and right now I've got it to about 5 pounds, 5.1 pounds of pressure. So let's keep going. Okay, we're at about 14 and a half pounds of pressure. Okay, let's keep going. I think it's starting to move. We're at 17 pounds. Here it comes. It's starting to push. Ready? 20. Alright, so that's as far as I got with that until that JB Weld gave way, and I'm using my regulator here to let the pressure out. But as you can see, it does work. Alright, I've got the water back inside the tank at the neck there, and I did patch the hole again. Got this hole patched in the front, and now that's good and solid there. It's not leaking. I went ahead and I upped my regulator on the compressor itself to 98, 100, something like that. All right, now here's attempt number 2. I'm going to go ahead and leave that on there so I can keep that aluminum good and warm. I'm going to start applying some air pressure now. Here we go. Alright, we're at 10 pounds. That's 15. almost 15 and a half. Well, dropping a little bit, but alright, that's 20 pounds. Alright, so the seal just broke there on the JB Weld. We're at 25 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off because now the seal is broken on it. Alright, we're at 30 pounds, and I think that's as high as I want to go with it. Okay, so after pumping pressure in a few different times and keeping heat on it, this is kind of what has happened. This JB Weld is holding pressure awesomely. It's not leaking at all, and the fuel tank is completely full of water. I let it run up out of the mouth of the tank there. So it popped out a lot of this middle right here, and then it popped out some of this bottom right here. It also kind of popped some of this out. So this is actually looking a heck of a lot better than when we started. Oh, there it goes. It's starting to trickle down. There it goes. That's okay though. It's still holding pressure. It's holding about 20 pounds right now. Okay, we got a little bit more of the bottom pushed out. I'm going to try to push this out just a little bit further. This seal is leaking now. I'm going to go ahead and redo this seal. You can see kind of here where it started to separate at the top there. I don't know, I might be happy with this for now. I can always get another fuel tank and replace this one. So I just got it hanging up off of my tractor. A really long water hose from the house coming out here.